How to change cursor on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to change your cursor on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on a laptop device. Once you open up your TradingView, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the left side of your screen where you can see this option over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options. Choose it according to your preference. Once you click on it, your cursor will be changed. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change cursor on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.